Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Fatima.
What do you work for?
I am a doctor.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings, including me.
Where are you from?
I am from Lahore.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What's your hobby?
I like to cook.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
I love biryani.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring.
What's your favorite book?
I like to kill a mockingbird.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.